a track of time, but it's always on my side. Hit the still to feel the vibe. On my mama, I'm so live. Popping bottles around 9, and them ladies about to slide. Hey, I'm just living live. I'm just living live. Hey, rolling. Don't know if I'm coming or I'm going. Home for the summer in Miami when it's snowing. Might just end up in your city, baby. You won't even know it. Might just find out from the ground while I'm posing with some grands. Hey.
As you can tell, we is not at the shop today, and we're not gonna be. We're actually heading out to a rally, so join us on this one. All right.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane.
You're watching Tire Garage TV.
Fast lane. Fast lane. Fast lane. And I ain't slowing down. I ain't slowing down. I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground. Pedal to the ground. Pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.
So what are we riding today? Today we got the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT V8 Hemi engine. Not the biggest sports car here, but shit, that's what it's for. Let's put it to use. Two really good looking beasts. Look at this. Got the Challenger, got the McLaren over here. So we're not at the shop today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pablo. This is the Tire Garage TV. Thank you for watching. So I found this post on Instagram for a rally that's going on today, and we're headed here from what is this, Costa Mesa, Newport kind of area, and we're headed out to Morongo. Unfortunately, I'm riding solo. I invited a couple people, but they couldn't make it out, and I was like, I ain't gonna miss this. Let's go do it. Let's do it. So we out here, so let's go. Thank you for watching. Meet up here was 7 to 9, so by 9 we were supposed to take off. It's already a little past 9, but I see everybody kind of still hanging around. We were gonna jump over to the Aston Martin dealership here locally, and then after that head over out to Morongo. A trip from here to Morongo, that'll be fun. As I see cars take off, I'll take off too. I'll follow, but we'll see how it goes. Thank you for joining us, and you know how it is. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down. I ain't slowing down. I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground. Pedal to the ground. Pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life though you lemons, you just.
Here's the tricky part about Newport area. Look. You got a bunch of cars, really nice cars, so much so you don't know who's going to the rally and who is just driving around. You got really nice cars out here. I've seen a couple Corvettes, 2021 Corvettes, and several Lamborghinis, Aston Martin, stuff like that. They just driving around, they go grocery shopping and shit. Yeah, that's how they roll. Don't worry, I'll get there soon.
Though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane.
Uh-oh. Somebody got stopped already. We got pulled over. It's one of the McLarens. That was 2 of the McLarens got pulled over. And a couple Aston Martins. They were just chilling there. They didn't get pulled over, but I guess they were waiting for their crew.
Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down. living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the
Okay, here's what we're gonna do, okay? I ended up not going to the rally all the way in Morongo. It was kind of a small group. Nobody rolled with me. Everybody kind of dispersed unevenly. So it was everybody kind of went their own way, right? I figured I'd go take a cruise. PCH is a really nice area to go, just go take a cruise. So I came down to Dana Point, and I'm gonna just drive all the way up down the PCH. Oh, let's do that. And like I said, basically Orange County, especially southern Orange County, is basically a big ass car show. There's Audis everywhere, Lamborghinis everywhere, Ferraris. I just saw a nice Ferrari coming down on the freeway. Aston Martins, like you see all those cars around here. And those are people's daily drivers, or maybe weekend cars, right? Today's Sunday, nice, bright, sunny day. Let's put the top down. And you're gonna see a lot of these cars out here. Let's go take a cruise. Let's go take a drive. That's the reason you get a car like this, right? To go on long drives, to enjoy driving. And if you don't enjoy driving, then just take the bus. Fuck it. Yo, we headed back already. Yo, today was it was a fun day, right? It was a fun day for me. I like seeing all those cars. I like cruising down the highway. I like just observing, driving, hitting the road, opening the windows, the air just flow through the car, hearing the engines roar. It's a good, honestly, it's a good time for me. I'm not just making this up. I love driving. I don't mind driving. And I love seeing fancy cars. I love seeing the exotics. It was a good time. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because I had some fun. I'm going to post my Instagram up here, and then I'll put the shop Instagram over here. I'm very active on social media, so you can catch me there, DM me there. Go follow those two accounts, all right? Appreciate you. So let's cut the video short here. Back headed home. I appreciate you watching. Cut. As I'm editing, I'm noticing I didn't give out the info of the people from the rally. I don't know them. I found the Instagram on, like I said, I found the event on the Instagram. Their Instagram's up here. LYLE is Live Your Life Exotics. I'm not really sure who they are. I reached out to them. They told me about the event. I told them I was going to record what I was going to do. And, whoever I emailed back and forth shot me the route plan and everything. So we were aware, but we never met. So hopefully he's watching. Reach out to me, bro. Any other events or stuff like that they have going on, I definitely want to be a part of. They had another one that was open to the public, but that one was on a Saturday. I couldn't make it on Saturday. But the next open one, open for the public, open for everybody. Obviously, I don't have an exotic, so I'll attend the events that are open to any other cars. Well, I've got the RT, the Challenger, plus I've got the Jeep, really good looking car too. I'm putting together this baby, and a couple other things I got down the line. Hopefully coming up soon. I'm excited about this one. Hopefully in a month I'll have another set of wheels on my roster. So hit them up. Go follow that account. LYLE. Live Your Life Exotics. Pretty cool account. You see a lot of exotics obviously there. Any other events that they got going on, hit them up. All right, back to the show. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. All right, let's get to work. Actually, it's Sunday. Let's go get some rest. All right, thank you for watching. Catch you.
Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.